When you come and spend your time at Branson Sawmill Entertainment Complex, you want something out of the ordinary. You want something a little extra. When you sit down, have something to eat, you want that same kind of formula to follow. I've got Michael Thompson, and he is the executive chef here at the Sawmill. Good to see you, sir.
Nice to meet you, Tom.
Let's talk about this a little bit, because I don't know that I've ever heard executive chef at a place where you sit down and have rides. How did that all come about?
Well, I spent a lot of time working at Walt Disney World earlier in my career, and then Face Amusement, who runs these great attractions, asked me to join their team, and we're standing up several locations across the country, and this is our newest one.
All right, before we get into the dining experience that people have here, let's give the folks kind of a reminder of what the Branson Sawmill is all about.
Well, it's a great attraction. It's a great local attraction. It's starting to have a really great following. It's exciting. It's a new complex where people can come and not only enjoy our attraction, but what we're going to talk about next is the great food and beverage offerings as well.
Yeah, and it's not what some people might say a one-trick pony. There are so many things to do here and enjoy as well.
Absolutely. Yeah, we want people to come and spend a couple hours here and really enjoy the day. We have a beautiful deck that we just built overlooking down over the hill, and it's a great place to have a cold refreshment, ice cream, or grab a light bite to eat.
Now, of course, you have the coaster, which people may already be familiar with, but you've got a new ride here, the Buzzsaw, which looks to be a lot of fun. And then the other things, if you want to be a woodsman, you can throw an axe here, all sorts of things.
All kinds of great things to do to keep, and it's a family friendly atmosphere, and so we look forward to having the whole family come out here and have a good time.
All right, now let's go into your bailiwick here, exec chef. Tell folks about it. When you sit down to eat here, many times you want more than just your average hamburger hot dog kind of fare. You're an exec chef. I expect more. Are you going to give me more?
Yes, we absolutely will. And that's typically what you see in some of these attractions is hamburgers and hot dogs. And we've gone a little farther than that. We have what we're calling a fast casual, and we're going to offer house-made flatbreads, bratwurst, chicken parmesan sandwiches, meatballs, all kinds of great little desserts. And you can either make it a meal or have a light snack while you're joining us, having a good time with the family.
So this is something where if you want to sit down and have dinner, you really can.
Absolutely. You come down and join us for dinner and have a good time with the whole family.
What about things for the kids?
Yeah, we have of course, we put the corn dog bites on for the kids.
Yeah.
You have to have a hot dog for the kids, but we hope they enjoy the hummus and the crispy flatbreads as well.
What kind of challenge is this for you? Because you're going to be seeing people from all over the country, all over the world, coming to you in Branson. What sort of challenge is it to you as an exec chef?
Well, we never say challenges, we like to say opportunities.
Oh, okay.
Right, and so the space is really, it's a food and beverage kiosk, and so to how much food offering can you put in a 12 by 15 spot can be challenging, but we're using some really new technology in the location to produce this food. So.
All right. Just between me and you,
Yep.
Where would you steer people first as far as, let's look at this item on the menu?
I'd certainly go for the flatbreads because I think they're shareable.
Flatbreads,
yeah.
So you can break it up, share it with the whole family.
Sure.
So whether you want to share it or whether you want to keep it to yourself, you've got something for everyone here.
Absolutely.
All right, Hours of operation, morning through the evening.
Yeah, after we're going to open in the early afternoon, and then we'll probably go to 11, 12 o'clock at night. So
all right.
We're here for you.
Chef,
thank you so much
for being here.
Thank you, Tom.
So, it's a great way to have a lot of fun. If you want to sit down for a little bit, have something really good to eat, this is the man that provides it for you right at the Branson Sawmill Entertainment Complex.